Check out the difference. Boy, that's going to make a huge difference compared next to my Bridgestone and Copia tires. Damn. Hey guys, how's it going? So I got my Falken AT trails in for the Subaru, and I just want to let you know where I got them and how that process went. For one, I tried to get them through Discount Tire, and they normally stock them, but they were out in their warehouse, so they back ordered them for me, but it was going to be till the end of January at least until they got them in. So that was kind of disappointing. But the one thing they did do was they price matched an online retailer that I had found that had a smoking deal on these tires. I want to share that with you. Take a quick look at the tread. I'm not going to get these tires on for a little while. I want to run the tires I have now down just a little bit farther and then get these on. So let me show you where I got these tires. So this is an invoice for ordering these tires since Discount Tire was out. They do price matching, and that's really cool that they do that. They price match the online retailer that I got these tires from, and you have to take into account the price of the tire plus any shipping. So for me, that came out to $96.05 per tire. I paid a little bit less than that actually, because the second time around when I ordered these tires through the online retailer, shipping was actually less. So that's kind of cool. But it's really neat that Discount Tire does this. They were really nice, easy to work with, and respectful. They match the price. I think they normally sell these tires for 120 bucks each. So that'll give you a little bit of insight there. So after about a week, I was like, I don't really want to wait that long for these tires. So then I was like, maybe I should just order the tires online. I've never done that before. I felt kind of skeptical about it. So I thought I'd give them a shot. And let me show you where I got those. So I went to this website. It's called Discount Wheel Warehouse. And they sell them right here. Falken Wildpeak AT trail tires, and the factory size, 84 bucks each. And then you need to add them to your cart and check the cost of shipping and factor that in. So this is my sales receipt. There's the price, $84.03 per tire. By the time you divide up cost per tire, $91.57. So that's a pretty good smoking deal. Really thankful for that. These tires look really great. Comparing the tread to my old tires, it's going to make a world of difference. I think they're going to look really great. I think they're going to perform really well in the ice and the snow that we deal with. They're great looking tires. Wildpeak AT trail. There's the snowflake rating, severe weather, so that is awesome. Pretty good looking tire. Mud and snow, severe weather rating. Kind of hold it up to my car here. Pretty good looking tread. So apparently these tires are selling really well. Obviously Discount Tires sold out of them, and several other retailers. It seems like everybody's selling them for about 120 bucks per tire. That's why I think this is such a great deal. But when I talked to the guy, even at the Discount Wheel Warehouse, he was saying that they're getting really low. So you might want to jump on these if you're thinking about buying them. I think it's a great deal. I'm just gonna go to a local tire shop and have these tires installed. It's gonna be a good deal doing it that way. And I hope to do a video soon with these tires installed. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and we'll see you later.